affiliated with them. It's important to us to branch out of our country, open up new opportunities. Based on our research, statistics show that the price of electricity in the UK is double what the United States is. So it possibly could cost a little more to build it here, but it's not going to cost twice as much. In Italy, the prices of electricity are 3 times what they are in the United States. And we have relationships in Italy, which we're going to introduce to steriwave. There's just some more things we've got to work through with them. But that could possibly be our first European projects, because they've done a lot of preliminary work and contractual put things in place. And if we're making 3 times the revenue that we are in our project, that means a payback within a year, which is pretty amazing. One thing that's unique about our company is we're not selling products. We don't sell a system and say, thank you very much, we appreciate the check, refer us to a friend. We say, we can put in a system here. We're going to build it. We're going to pay for it. We're going to make money on it for at least 20 years, probably more. Because electricity, I don't think, is a fad. It's going to be around for a while to power things, and the cleaner it is, the better it is. So it makes sense for us to have these systems. And the maintenance is very limited. It's like, how often do you have to call your refrigerator repairman to come over and fix your refrigerator? It's not really a big maintenance item. For our systems, there are large-scale refrigerator repairmans, if you will, that can come out and repair it. If there was something, if there was a seal to be replaced, we don't have to have some specialized nuclear technician to go work on it. We just call a company that can come out and do maintenance on this type of device and fix it. Speaking of nuclear, with the current problems we've had in Japan with nuclear disasters and unforeseen incidences that can happen, as far as we're concerned, if we get hit by a tornado, we got to go fix some pipes, maybe upgrade a computer. There's no nuclear disaster, there's no cleanup. Even our refrigerant is accepted by the European Union. It's very clean. It works under high pressure. We have to have, our seals are a little bit more expensive, but it's all conforms to any type of environmental standards that are set worldwide, not just the United States. When you compare our technology to other technologies, in our industry, there really isn't anybody. There was somebody who was on our tails that was trying to compete. Their efficiency was about half of what ours was, and apparently they must have given up because General Electric bought them out. So I don't know if they bought them out to just let them sit there or what, but we know they haven't done their testing. So even if GE felt the need to buy out this technology, that tells us we're onto something. But we know they're at least 3 years behind us because they haven't even done the testing. And in 3 years, we could have 1,000 megawatts of power out there, which for us, it's a simple equation and it varies maybe 10%. But for every megawatt, that is $1 million per year income to our company. So 1,000 megawatts equals $1 billion. And once you calculate it in Europe and other things, it would not be difficult for us to have 10,000 megawatts of power over a 20-year period. So making $10 billion a year in revenue with very limited overhead, very little expenses is a really nice situation for a company to be in.